got a pair of Metabo HPT strip nailers. They shoot up to a 2.5-inch nail, and we use these a lot for installing joist hangers. Basically, that's what they are, is they're a hanger gun nail. So unlike the framing nailer that'll shoot up to a 3.5-inch nail, this one shoots two specific lengths, 1.5 inches and 2.5. Always wear them. Directions. Oh, how cute. They're stubbies, so we can get them into tight spots. It's awesome. So they have a special head that runs 2.5-inch nail in here, or 1.5 inch nail, depending on what you're running. So they're nice, tight, and compact, so I'm really looking forward to using these on the job site. This is a Metabo NR65AK2S 2.5-inch strip nailer. Alright, so I don't know what's in this box. I'm going to tread lightly with the knife. Oh, how smart. They put cardboard in. Ooh. Oh, man. These are really sweet air hoses. Professional grade hybrid air hose. Got 4 of them. These are really nice. Oh, man. We're going to be revamping our whole job site. Good stuff. Yeah, I don't know how many people know about a decent air hose versus just something inexpensive, but it is a joy to work with products that work well on the site, where they're just not kinking, they're not catching on stuff, you just unroll easily, they don't get tied up in knots, stuff like that. And you can just tell by the feel of this rubber that these are going to be great hoses. So I'm really looking forward. This box was heavy, so these are high grade, heavy duty hoses. They withstand cold, hot, whatever, and they just keep rolling year after year. So I'm really looking forward to implementing these on the job site. Sweet. All right, looks like we have a Metabo HPT portable electric air compressor, 2.0 running horsepower, 4-gallon capacity, 135 max pounds per square inch. And we're gonna, oh, that was easy. Ooh. What the heck is this? There's some oil. Looks like there's some oil and an oil gauge that we have to put in, like it's a pumper. Okay, I'm going to pull back and let the box drop. Okay? Look at that. It's a sweet little dual tank, and it's very compact. Nice little setup. I like the fact that it has 2 gauges, one for your tank pressure, and then one you can regulate right on top. So it plugs in. It's an oil pumper. It says add oil before running. Great idea. If you don't, you'll burn this little baby up. I bet you it's nice and quiet too. Can't wait to get this on the job site. Right now we're running another brand of air compressor that is oilless, and it's loud, and it freaks out our clients sometimes because sometimes they just kick in. So it'll be nice to put an oil pumper back on the job site. So I'm really looking forward to that. So that's what the other side looks like. Another cool thing, it has dual air release. Did you catch that? That was cool. So you can release air out of this thing quickly. All right, it looks like we got some kind of a sawhorse something going on here. Yeah, if I could quit releasing my blade, I'd be happy. Ooh, nice color. Those are sweet. So these come in a pair. Let's get them open. Oops, look out. So some Metabo sawhorses. Looks like they, oh cool, they have these little adapter plates or things that I'm not sure exactly where these go. Oh, they slide in and out. Then you can put 2x4s across here and make them as wide as you want. So that's kind of a neat feature. We'll see how long these last. I'm not sure about these, but we'll give them a shot. All right, we've got a 14-inch commercial grade 2-stroke gas-powered cutter. So we're going to use this mostly for concrete. Sometimes we might use it for rebar as well. But we also have something else I want to show you in a minute that we got that I'm kind of excited about. That'll be our grand finale. Always wear them. All right, you guys ready for this? Look at that. That is a thing oh beauty. Can't wait to get this on the job site. Oh, and it's got a water injection system. Oh, man. Just hook it right to your hose. On, off. Oh, that's going to be so nice when we're putting... Oh, and check it out. It's a quick release. Cool. So we actually are going to make our own return hose, a short one, and then we can just hook it up to whoever's hose we need it to. And it looks like it's got a little filter on it and everything. That's cool. So definitely keep the directions on this one. I even got a blade for this baby, so I'm ready to rock. It's not that heavy. Our old one was very heavy and clunky, and this one seems like it's a little more nimble. And it's just an overall good-looking machine, man. I really like the way it's designed. You know, once we get some mix in it, we'll fire this baby up and give you a report back on what we think. 50 to 1. Piece of cake. I really like the water injection system. I'm excited to try that. Nice. Got a choke lever on off. It's pretty basic stuff. Looking forward to it. This will be good for pavers as well. Alright, I'm kind of excited about this one. This is the Metabo HPT 5/8 inch rebar cutter slash bender. Model number VB16Y. And this is one I'll definitely have to read the directions on before I use it. Let's check it out. Looks like it's got some kind of a... Oh! How cool. Can you see that?
Yep.
It's a Metabo cutter bender. Neato. Alright. Save these. Check that out. This is a beast. So this we will use to cut all of our rebar for all of our footings, and when we need to bend rebar up into different configurations, we'll use it to bend various rebar. So this really speeds things up. I'm really excited to be using this thing, and a lot of reading to do on this one, but man, can't wait to put this into the field and get it cranking. This is amazing. I hope you enjoyed this tool unboxing. If you did, please click subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well to be notified every time we put out new content. Thank you very much. Have a great day.